friends, it's Amy Wilson, and I am super excited to show you our utility tote collection from our spring and summer 2022 31 catalog. So we've got a lot of products in this category, and these are our tried and true best sellers, and there is a reason for that. They can literally be used for anything. We've got a lot of products. I'm gonna start from smallest to largest. And before I do that, I wanna just make sure that you know about our amazing customer special. For every $50 you spend, you can get one regular priced item for 50% off. And it does not have to be of equal or lesser value. So if you wanna get a $50 item for 50% off, if you wanna get a $50 item and then get a $100 item for 50% off, you go right ahead. You deserve it. I give you that permission. Please remember to check out that customer special because sometimes you end up spending less money and getting more products. And like, who does not want that, right? All right, so I also like you to go ahead and subscribe to my channel. I appreciate that if you would do that. Go ahead and like the video if you like it, and then comment below in the comment section and let me know which of our utility totes you have, what you use them for, and then also if I showed you something that you don't have that you really want, let me know about that as well. I love to party. Partying is my jam. I do a lot of Facebook parties. I do bingo parties that are super fun. And so if you would like to earn any of these products for free, I would love to do that with you. Just give me a shout and I will hook you up with a date. And then also, if you need some extra cash and you're looking at me and you're thinking, gosh, this might be a fun way to make extra cash, you are right. It really is. I love doing this. And more importantly, I love sharing the opportunity with other women and men as well. We do have some men that are in our company. I've had a few on my team myself, and they actually are really great at this, believe it or not. So it's not just for the ladies. All right, let's take a look at these utility products. I'm gonna start, like I said, from smallest to largest. This is our Littles Carry-All Caddy. And if you're thinking about it in terms of like, what size is that? You can fit a square box of tissues in here. So this is a lovely handle here. And this is a nice little mesh pocket. And so I love this as a little gift bag. I love it for small children like toddlers. If you're taking your child out trick-or-treating for the first time ever, this is a great size for them because first of all, they can hold it. And second, you don't want them to have all that candy anyway. This is a great little gift bag. Like I said, I love to use this on the summertime. I use it for bug spray and sunblock if we're going out in the yard. I love using it as a plant holder for the holidays. I tend to give that as a teacher's gift, or if it's cold and flu season, you can stick some tissues in there. Like I said, put some cough drops, some sanitizer in that back pocket there. The possibilities are truly endless. So this is the Littles Carry-All Caddy. And then next up is our small essential storage tote. Again, really great size for kids. This will be a really fun bag for them to carry around the house. When my daughter was little, she loved to pretend that she was going shopping, or she, just had a purse and she would just put all her little things in. So I love these two bags and the tiny utility tote for kids. So just a great collection of bags for children here. And then of course, adults can use them just the same. I like using this guy here as just to put on my front seat in my car. So I might have some tissues in there. I put my sunglasses in there. I put some snacks in there, maybe some mints, some candy, that kind of thing. And I just plop it right on the front. And when I used to have a CD player in my car, I would put a couple of CDs in there too. But my new car does not have a CD player. So tiny utility tote, small essential storage tote, Littles Carry-All Caddy. So those are the real small ones that we have. All of them make great gift bags. So then I mentioned this small essential storage tote. This is the regular size essential storage tote. So here's the difference. What I love this for is groceries. This is my favorite grocery shopping bag, or even Target or Whole Foods, wherever you go, Some places like Target and Whole Foods will actually pay you to use your own bags. Did you know that? If you didn't know that, start using your bags. We are big fans of sustainability over here at 31. So all of our utility tote products are made from recycled water bottles. How cool is that? I love that. So the fun thing about these bags is that they're a little bit taller than your standard grocery store bags that are reusable. You can fold them up like this and tuck the straps, and you can fit 2 of them in our zipper pouches, which is awesome. And then you can throw them in your bag so that you don't ever forget your reusable bags. I'm that person that brings 100 bags in my car with me and then totally forgets them. And then I have to go back out to my car to get them. So this is just an awesome bag. And I use these a lot for all sorts of other things. My daughter goes to sleepovers a lot, and she always packs like an overnight bag, but then she always wants toys and stuff. So we put it in this. And then, like I said, at Target or anywhere like that where I'm shopping, I will use one of these. And then also, when we go to the beach in the summertime, we usually rent a cottage for a week or 2, and all of our food that we bring goes in here, along with, you know, like the paper plates, the napkins, that kind of stuff. So that is the essential storage tote. And then the next 2 products I'm going to show you are very similar. These are our Cinch totes. These are Hostess exclusive products. So if you would like these, you would need to host a $200 or more party. They are 38, no, hold on. Let me look at my notes here. I'm sorry. $28 for the 2 of them. If you host a $200 or more party, you can get these 2 for $28. It's a value of $78. And personalization is always free on our Hostess exclusives. If you host a $1,000 or more or party, you could get them for free. So the bundle comes with 2, and you can mix and match prints like I did, or you can choose the same print. So this is color block. This is multicolor stripe, and there we go. So let me show you. There is a pocket on this one. It's very close in size to the essential storage tote. It's just a smidge taller. And then the sides open up quite a bit larger than the essential storage tote. And then as you can see, each side has a little cinch thing here. And then you can cinch it closed. So I am really a big fan of these. I like those a lot. I think those are really fun bags. Next up is a new product for this season. This is the Pick Up and Go Tote. Pick up and go. I'm gonna pick this up and go to the beach. I am dreaming of the beach right now. Can't wait. Can't wait. All right, so here we go. This is the etched shells print. I love this beautiful blue, and the peach accents on here are very pretty. So I went with a peach and white monogram for myself there. And then this has 2 big pockets on the side. You can see them there. And then it also has a very large open space in the middle there, and 2 interior pockets. So this would be a great beach bag. I'm a big fan of this bag. You can fit a lot of beach towels in here, a lot of fun things like your books and your snacks and all of that. So that is the Pick Up and Go Tote. And then the next one I'm going to show you is our zip top organizing utility tote. So I'm going to show you a side-by-side of this. We also call this our ZOUT because zip top organizing utility tote. That's just a mouthful, right? So we've got the charcoal crosshatch again. And so this is quite a bit larger than this, but I wanted to show you this first so that I could give you a comparison. So this is something that a lot of teachers love, a lot of people that bring paperwork with them, they really like this bag. There are 7 outer pockets. Let me scooch that over a little bit. There are 7 outer pockets. We're using this for Chloe, our doggie. And so when she goes to doggy daycare, or when, you know, we go to the vet or the park or something, we always bring a bag of her toys and food and whatnot. So 7 exterior pockets, and it zips on top. So mesh pockets on the side, 2 flat pockets in the front, 3 in the back. And I mentioned that our charcoal crosshatch looks really great with all thread colors before, but I wanted to point that out now. So I have pink and white are kind of my favorites to use. This is the hot pink, but really anything would look gorgeous on this print. And then we've got the zipper at the top there. And this is a great carry-on item as well if you're traveling. And it's a great sports bag, a gym bag, all of those things. And then we have essentially the ZOUT inside out, as I like to call it. This is our everyday essentials tote. Let me show you the size difference here. So the everyday is a little bit bigger. Let me show it to you next to this guy. So this is what I used for my beach bag last year. Let me open it up so you have a better idea of the size. I feel like these two are fairly similar in size. Maybe this one's a little bit longer, it looks like. So there's those two. But let me show you the inside, because that's the keeper. So this is our black color block. It's got the white stripes and the fawn on the side. There is a front Velcro pocket on this bag. This is my favorite, by the way. I don't know if I said this already, but I use this at the beach all summer last season, or last year, I should say. And it served us very well. I love the pockets. Just opening them up so you can see. Oh, of course they're black. It's very hard to see. There you go. You can kind of see them. So 8 pockets on this one on the inside. 2 mesh pockets on the side, just like on the ZOUT. And then the pockets are the same, right? There's 3 pockets instead of 2 on this side, on the inside of this one. And then 3 on the inside on this side as well. So very similar pockets. It's just on the inside instead of the outside, and there's no zipper on this one. So this fit towels for my family of 3, my Kindle, my wallet, snacks, 2 water bottles. What else? I can't remember what else we put in there, like keys, phone, that kind of stuff. Oh, sunblock, all of that stuff fit in here, and I loved it. So this was my favorite bag last year. All right, so now we're gonna get to the bigger utility totes. So this is the medium utility tote. Medium utility tote. Now our utility totes are just rectangular open totes. They've got grommet holes. You can clip things on there if you want to. And they've got just a big space in the middle. And you can use these for anything on earth. And that is why our large utility tote, this one here, is our #1 seller of all time. So let me show you the medium and the large next to each other. Same exact bag, just this one's bigger, this one's smaller. I'll show you the inside. There's no pockets at all on the medium or the large. There is pockets on the Deluxe, which I'll show you next. So these you can use, we use them most frequently. We use them as beach bags. We use them as packing for our road trips. We sell tops. They're called Totes. It comes in the large or the Deluxe that go right on top. And then you can stack them in your trunk. It's really amazing to do that. Huge space saver. And then groceries, you know, everything you can think of. You can store out of season items in here, like hats and gloves and boots and things like that. Snow gear, sports equipment, all of those things. So let me grab the Deluxe. here's the large, here's the deluxe. And then so the deluxe on the back side has 3 flat pockets there. And then the other difference is that there are handles, because it is so big, there are handles on the side so that you can hold it like this if you wanted to. And then it has a reinforced bottom so that you can really pack the weight in there. So that is the deluxe utility tote. And then we've got this guy, which is new this season. It is another Hostess exclusive, and this is the limited edition deluxe utility tote, or LTD as you will see it called on my website. So big differences. It has the handle snaps, and then on this side it has the regular handle, and then it has a mesh zipper pouch. On this side, the regular handle, and then a thermal zipper pouch. And then on the back side, where we had those 3 pockets before, we've got the same 2 on the end, and then a zipper pocket right here on the middle. And then on the inside, we've got a little insert here. It goes through the grommets and snaps. And then I forgot to undo it. This is the best part for me. I love this part. Are you ready? The insert breaks it up into 3 sections, and it has mesh pockets on the insert on this side and on this side. So I am loving this. So again, with Hostess exclusives, you'd have to host at least a $200 party to get it. Only our hostesses are allowed to shop that collection. And I just think it's really fun to have that for somebody that like is just a little extra perk for hostesses. So for a $200 party, you could get this for $48. It is a value of $114, or you could get it free with a $1,000 party. So that is the deluxe limited edition Hostess exclusive. And we've got one more. Are you ready for this one? It is the extra large storage tote. Holy smokes, this is big. All right, so let me show you. Big handles on either side. Also has the snap cover for the handles because it is so big. Also has grommet holes. There's a zipper pocket right in the front there where you can see my W. Zipper pocket there. And then this would be a really great hockey bag. If you have a child or yourself that plays hockey, this would really be it. So I stuffed this full of throw pillows from my couch so that it wouldn't collapse on me, so that you can see just how big this is. So inside is just a really large open space. And then I've already showed you the outside. So this is the extra large storage tote. And what I would use this for is sports gear, anything that you have that's out of season. You might even be able to fit a fake Christmas tree in here. I haven't tried it myself, but if it can pack down pretty small, you might be able to fit it in here. Any of your throw pillows, regular bed pillows, blankets, that kind of stuff that you want to store, you can put in here. I love this bag. I'm so excited about it. It's bigger than me. My child does fit in here. I bet I could fit in here if I wasn't old and like couldn't fold myself too much, you know? So that is our utility collection. I'm so happy that you stuck it out and watched this video with me. If you would be so kind as to subscribe to my channel, give this video a like, and then comment below and let me know which of these items that you have to have in your life. All right, I'm gonna show you this compared to the deluxe real quick, just so you can see the size difference. But I'm not gonna be able to like really get them both in the same shot, I don't think. But I'm gonna try. Okay, ready? Kind of, right? There we go. All right, thanks so much. Have a great day. Bye.